Hey guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me. Let's wait till more people jump on the live. This is going to be a short session. I'm not in any trades right now. We're just gonna do analysis. It's going to be for around 1 hour, 2 hours. We're gonna talk about trading. We're gonna do some analysis. We're gonna see where we have opportunities to take any trades today. And let me just play my intro. Let's wait till more people join the live stream. If you have any questions, type that in the comment section. If you have any pair you want me to analyze, drop that in the comment section. We will be talking about BTC. We'll be talking about foreign exchange pairs and where they're going. So hope you guys enjoy my intro. So we are back. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Like I said, if you have any pair you want a free analysis on, put that in the comment section. We'll be making some updates on the YouTube channel in the coming few days or weeks. Actually, I made the mistake. I made the updates by mistakenly deleted them, so I had to start all over again. 1 minute and we'll get started on the live stream. Make sure to follow my Instagram, the NLFX Instagram also. You can check my FX book link that I'm dropping in the comment section. Let's see. And make sure to join the free Telegram group. I have my Telegram link there also in the comment section in case you want to send me a message, and my WhatsApp link. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell, especially the notification bell, and make at least one comment on the video on the channel in order to qualify for the giveaway once we reach 16,000 subscribers. We are less than, let me see, we are less than 700 subscribers away. If I will, we'll try to get that up before the end of the month. And let's see. Also, remember to join the free Telegram group. Once we reach 1,000 in the Telegram group, there'll also be a giveaway, 1,000 giveaway for every 1,000 we reach. Just 1 minute. Before we start doing the analysis, I'll be right back. I just want to send some messages to a student, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, let's get into it. Let's do the intro one more time before we start doing the free analysis. All right, guys, are you ready for us to get started? Get your minds right, get your wallets right, and let's stay meditated. Okay, so what do we have here? We have we're looking at Bitcoin first, okay, before we start going into any foreign exchange pairs. I remember previously I was saying I wanted Bitcoin to go above this point before I start looking for any approvals that we're in a buy trend. Bitcoin finally did get above this point, okay, to around above 23,000 or 23,500, and did stabilize there for a bit. However, I believe this was just a pump and dump. You know, if we see Bitcoin manage to get above this 25k all over again, well, guys, we may be back in the bull trend again. All right, we may. However, I don't think I see that happening. With Bitcoin breaking above this 25,200 points. Yeah, so we'll just have to wait and see, guys. This 25,200 points is just going to be one of the deciding factors if we're back in a bull trend. If you're not into crypto, well, you should be. You can just put some money into it and see what happens. $100, $200, leave it for a couple days and see what happens if we're back in a buy trend. Okay, the good thing about crypto is that you can always start small. Okay, and once you're dipping it, you can get as much money and put it inside. But the issue people always have is always when to get out of the trade, or sorry, when to get out of crypto investments. Most people don't know if they're on a buy trend. Most people don't know if they're on a sell trend. That's why you have to learn about crypto. Okay, there's a beginner's guide. If you're interested in crypto, there's a beginner's guide. Okay, that'll tell you everything you want to know about crypto. It's 30 euros, and if you're interested in getting that beginner's guide, it's going to teach you everything about making money in crypto, everything about different ways how you can make money in crypto, in a buy trend, in a sell trend, whatever trend it is, and how to find out the right coins, how to be able to know if a coin is a scam, so many things, everything you need to know about crypto in a very fast way. Okay, you can get the book. It doesn't contain all those bullshit crap. You know, it goes straight to the point, just like how I teach my foreign exchange courses. It goes straight to the point on how to make money in foreign exchange. Because that's what we actually came here to do, but some people tend to forget that. So with that being said, yeah, let me just put this here. If we see a move back above 25,200, then we may be back in the bull trend. However, Bitcoin on average, when it has a dip in the market, it usually goes down for around between 60, 70, 80, even more. I wouldn't say 60, around 70 to 90% drop in the market. What we've seen so far on what we've seen so far on Bitcoin for the last drop, it only dropped around, let me get my calculator. We've only seen about a 20% drop. Let me see. Okay, we've only seen about a 50% drop, 50 to 60% drop so far. I believe it can have one more push down. Okay, like I keep saying, all the way down to 16,000, 15,000, 14,000, even 12,000. Okay, that to me is really the bottom. Okay, some people may get lucky, because I heard BlackRock has also started his own crypto investment portfolio, for people to invest in crypto in. Iran, okay, has already started using crypto to beat sanctions. Hello, geeky bro, what do you think of GBP USD pair? I will look at GBP. I'll look at GBP USD. I'm just trying to get done with what do you call it, with crypto first, and then we'll get into it. All right. Just 1 minute. All right. So yes, let's get into the foreign exchange pairs. Let's look at GBP. Where's GBP USD? GBP USD. GBP US. Usually I don't trade GBP pairs. Okay. I'm sure you're new on the channel. That's why you probably don't know. Let me see. This is GBP USD. You see, it's not even on my list. That lets you know I don't really trade it. Let's see what we have here. What do we have here? What do we have? All right, Geeky, are you there? Are you still there? I'm doing I'm doing your GBP USD analysis. Let's see. Are you in a buy or sell on GBP USD? Because usually when people ask for an analysis and they are new on the channel, they are usually in a trade. So how did you even find the channel, by the way? And where are you from? Clearly we can see that GBP is on a downtrend. Okay, it had a pullback, however it continued to respect that downtrend. We can see around the price of 1.20, it had a pullback, but I still expect it to drop all the way to 1.95. If I see a pullback that goes all the way to 1.210, okay, and goes above it, if it goes above this 1.210 price, I would expect the price to go to 1.215 and even way beyond that. Okay, way beyond that. I would expect it to go all the way to 1.22. okay, long term or short term, anyone. Okay, long term because we're not close to there. But if I was looking for an entry, yeah, even around this area, I would expect the market to maybe push back all the way to 1.205 and then drop, or you go above it a little bit and then drop. Okay, even if it continues to pull back, I'm expecting around this 1.005 to start seeing rejections and the market dropping all the way back to 1.950. Okay, so the dollar is getting stronger and stronger. Okay, oh, you said what do I think of gold USD, not GBP USD. All right, let's look for gold. I have gold on my list. All right, so you see I've done an analysis on gold before. It went up here, didn't break this high, 1,800, then dropped all the way down. Like I said, it went to 1,760. As you can see, I still expect it to go all the way down. Okay, so far so good. I don't see any reason why it should continue to go down. If we see the break of 1.760, we should see continuous movement, like I said before. all the way down to 1,750. Okay, at least 1,750. That's what I'm expecting the drop to continue to. Do I expect any pullback so far from the market? Do I expect gold USD to start going up? Well, not really. Not anytime soon. Not anytime soon. I expect the market to continue to go all the way down. All right. USD is taking everyone for a run. Okay. If USD becomes stronger than Euro in the long run, wow, we'll just see a generational shift. But is that gonna happen? Well, we don't know yet. We have seen dollar being equal to the euro this year. I think it was this month or last month, so it's been recent. We'll see if it happens all over again. So now let me move on to other pairs. Let's look at USDJPY. USDJPY, baby. USDJPY, boof. I won't be surprised if it goes to. I said it. I think I said it. I think I said it. Yes, I said it in my last stream. I said it that USDJPY was going to go all the way and break this high, or was it USDJPY or something? Because I was looking at this high right here. Okay, so it's definitely gonna break this high. We're gonna see it break above 135.50 definitely before the end of today, most probably. And let's see where it's going to target. Maybe 138 or 140 in the long run. Okay, but for now, for today, let's see. We might see USDJPY go all the way to 137.5. Yeah, at least 136.5. Okay, and that's for today. That is for today. Okay, so yeah, let me see. Now, where will I expect, for example, if I'm looking at USDJPY, it's gonna go long. Okay, it's gonna go long, guys. It's gonna go long. However, if we start seeing USDJPY go below 134.5, you might want to be cautious about it. But me, I expect a long move. Okay, as we break 135.5, I expect it to go to at least 136.5, at least. So you can expect at least from here, or at least from here, 100 pip move more in the buy direction. Okay, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so that we can move faster and faster into getting to 16,000 subs. I know I have not been streaming that much or uploading that much, but don't worry. Next week I will be uploading at least once a day. I stopped really uploading student testimonials. I stopped uploading scalping. I stopped streaming. But look, we're gonna get back to all that. Just give me 1 minute. We're gonna start streaming. So what we're gonna do, guys, is we're going to start streaming at least 5 times a week. Okay, at least 5 times a week, and it's going to be mostly trades. It's going to be mostly motivation for you guys. Okay, the kind of things that I used to listen to, the kind of things I used to tell myself, the kind of things that I used to watch and motivated me to be able to get in there, put in the work in, get some money from the market, and learn to trade. Finally learn to trade and focus on what really matters, making money. Then I'm going to be uploading at least one reel a day. Okay, I will try that. I will try to do that. Okay, I hope I can do that. I'll try to do that. I'll try my best, guys. Then what else? Tell me, what else would I do? There was something I wanted to do. Oh yeah, and guys, if you have the software and you're a student recently, the software is going to be updated this weekend. So let me know so that I can give you the updated software. Okay, and let's see, upload at least one real day. Yeah, I'm going to be uploading some of my trades, close, take profits, student testimonials, because I realized I don't post a lot of student testimonials. I usually don't have the time, but a lot of people want to see that. So yeah, so you guys are gonna have content every day. There will be a zone on the channel where you can get information for students. So I'm going to move the information that's on the website, and it's going to be on YouTube, and you'll be able to check it in the community section. It says some specific students and others will be able to check it on the what do you call it, community section. So I'm working on it. Next week it's all gonna be brand new. Just 1 minute, guys. Let me just put some music because I'm coming, guys. I'm checking something, and then we'll move on to the next pair. Hello Gamer Zone, are you new on the channel? Did you like, share and subscribe and click the notification bell? Did you join the Telegram group? Alright, so we've done the analysis on USDJPY. If you want any free analysis, just put that in the comment section. We've done the analysis on USDJPY. We're still watching it. We're still expecting a buy move from USDJPY. So let's move on to the next pair that we're going to analyze. Let's look at EuroCAD. EuroCAD. Should we look at EuroCAD or should we look at AUD-USD? AUD-USD, baby. So what do you guys expect? What are your own thoughts on the markets? My thought is it's still going to go down. We're still going to have a drop down on the market. We're still just 1 minute. Alright, so I'm even checking. Are you in any live trades? A lot of people are saying, over 32 people are saying, majority of the people are saying yes. Okay. Okay. Hi, can I look at Euro USD? You just got in, not sure if you covered it already. I haven't covered Euro USD yet. Just give me 1 minute. We are looking at AUD USD for now, and then we'll get into Euro USD. Just 1 minute. Let me drop some links, and then we'll get into AUD USD, and after we'll get into Euro USD. Is that okay? Where are you from, by the way? Are you new on the channel? I've never seen your comment before. Mark he humble. Where are you from and how did you find the channel? And have you joined the free Telegram group? Let's see, guys. Next week, get ready for a lot of brand new things on the channel. All right. Let's go to AUD USD. AUD USD. You know, all these pairs that I'm giving analysis on, or not all these pairs, but majority of these pairs, I believe that they are going to give you opportunities like AUD USD. I see an opportunity here. Well, not so great, but like an opportunity in the market. I expect the market to keep on going all the way down to 0.685. However, we may see, as we can see, the market may go all the way back here. Okay, it's going up, but still expected to go all the way down. Now, if I start to see price go above this point, which it is most unlikely, I will expect it to start going all the way to 0.7 and then at least 0.75. Okay, but my bias is a short move. Okay, short move somewhere around here in this zone. Okay, down all the way here. Okay, which should give you like about a 2.5 to 1 ratio. Okay, I hedge my trades, so you know I'm not really going to lose anything, but if you're a stop loss trader, you are at much of a higher risk, because what happens when your trade fails, you lose capital. That is why I always hedge. You cannot compound an account without hedging. You cannot grow an account without hedging. If you keep on making losses and losses and losses, you're not going to grow the account. You know, you're not going to grow that. It's already hard enough for you guys to make profits. How are you sure you're going to make profits to cover the losses that you are making using stop loss? You are not sure. You have no guarantee. So hedging is always the way. I'm telling you, you can't show me anyone that's really using stop loss that continue to trade an account. Usually most what they do is they gamble, they grow the account a bit, make some tiny withdrawals, then crash the account. Just 1 minute. I want you guys to they crash the account. Money, which is what the account is meant to be for. I forgot to play my sound effects, so we will take it all the way back and we'll start getting this right this time. Alright, so let's take it back a bit. And yeah, someone requested for Euro USD. Mark Humble says, yep, I'm new all the way from Namibia. Okay, yeah, Southern Africa. Bumped into your YouTube video. You're welcome. You can check my other videos. I scalp the market on the lower time frame. I make long-term trades. I live stream my trades. I trade on the live account. I teach my students on the live account. I have a software that does the analysis. I emulate what hedge funds do. Okay. And my students have access to the software that does all the analysis too. So yeah, where were we? You said Euro USD. Where is Euro USD? Euro USD. Where is Euro USD? Euro USD is currently in a battle with the dollar, and has been having a battle with the dollar, and we've seen it go all the way to 1-to-1. However, see, let's just look at it on the daily, because that zone has been in a tight zone. So we even have to look at it on the larger time frame to see what is going on. A lot of people would have thought this was the breakout and started to continue to buy from there. However, I don't see that. We have been stuck in this zone. Are you asking me about Euro USD because you are stuck in that zone too? So we are stuck in this zone even though we had a breakout. Okay, I usually don't trade breakouts, so guys, don't ask me about breakouts. That's just gambling, in my opinion. Okay, we haven't even done up to 1 hour of analysis. It's gonna be a 2-hour stream, so we have a maximum about 1 more hour left. So guys, ask your questions, push your analysis, crypto pairs, foreign exchange pairs. Let's get this going, baby. If you were to guess, would you say it will revisit parity soon? Parity, what are you talking about? What will revisit parity? I don't know what you're talking about. You are not being specific. 1-to-1 on Euro USD. Yes, We might see it happen again. We might see the dollar becoming far stronger than the euro. But is it going to last? I don't know. That's what it's looking like. That's what it's looking at, which is really crazy and scary if you are not American. But I really doubt the Americans know that the value of their currency is increasing. Majority of them, not all of them, because the oil police now come for me. However, I do see Euro USD making a battle between this 1.020 and this 1.015 zone. So if we see the price go below this point, we might see another test on Euro USD for it being 1-to-1, which is very close. Okay guys, it's not that far. It's really not that far. It's less than 120 pips away from it being tested. Okay, and this is what I see the market. I cannot fully say, but because it has been ranging in this zone, like I said, because we can drop all the way down, okay, and it can still go all the way up here, okay, but so far so good. I would expect my bias, okay, is that it's going to go all the way down to 1. Okay, doing any analysis on Euro USD right now, I wouldn't suggest it, unless you are just scalping from down here to up here to down here to up here. But get ready to get wrecked, okay, because you want to gamble. Most people want to gamble. I'm sure there are a lot of people, especially in that dumb trading view chart section. See this trading view chart section, I don't use it. If you are chatting with people on TradingView, you are definitely losing. You are definitely a loser, and you are definitely going to continue to be a loser and continue being a loser, because most of the people there don't know anything. It's a bunch of people gathered together who don't know anything and who are gambling and teaching others how to gamble more and more. Just a cesspool of nonsense. You know, no guide, no nothing, no fixed strategy, no fixed system, no nothing, no methodology, all rubbish. Everything is all about gambling and guessing. You know, there will be a lot of people in that trading view section that will think that they found the ultimate strategy because they've been scalping from here to here, but it's not been happening that long. Maybe a month, 2 months. I don't think it's up to 2 months, but a lot of people will be bragging, very confident, very arrogant in the trading view section on just a random event that will soon end. So, you know, I wouldn't really focus on Euro USD. I would rather focus on other pairs that are moving, that are going somewhere, okay, and learn and continue to learn. This is just a random event that will soon end. You know, most people that were doing the buying and selling in this zone, thinking that they found a new strategy, they're trading without a stop loss, markets would have scared them here. And this is just the beginning, because once it leaves this zone again, it's just going to continue to go and go and go and go and go. And if you're not using a stop loss, wrecked. If you're using a stop loss, wrecked. And you're going to keep on taking the same position because you're going to think that it's going to keep on going back into the zone. Okay, so I don't know how to pronounce your name. You said Marcin. Your last name is in Russian or Ukrainian or something, so it's a it's called Czech Republic, or I don't know, but I'll just call you Marcin because that's what I can pronounce. I don't want to butcher your name. You say, in my mind it should be a good double bottom setup. No, I don't use double bottoms, I don't use double tops. It's just guessing. It's coincidence. Okay, it's coincidence. Most of the time when people do it, you get lucky once in a while. You think it's a working strategy, then it starts wrecking you. Okay, if you get used to it, you get fixed to it, you actually think it's working, you now start to have belief and faith in it. The moment it doesn't work, instead of changing your bias, for example, if you have a double bottom, instead of changing your bias when the market is going down, you keep on buying and buying and buying because you believe in that double bottom. What is your technical reason for that double bottom? What I mean is, if you go to an exchange office and you want to exchange euro for dollar, are you going to be confident enough to tell them that there's a double bottom and the value of this currency is going to increase? If you cannot do that confidently in real life, why do you practice that on your live trading account? If it works for you, no problem. If you have an exit strategy, no problem. Okay, but if your exit strategy is a stop loss, all that doesn't matter. All that doesn't really matter. All that doesn't really matter. You know, double bottom, double top. If the market decides it wants to go down, it's going to continue to go down. If the market wants to go up, it's going to continue to go up. You have to learn to be on the right side of the market. You have to learn to be on the side of the market. The market is right 95% of the time. It doesn't matter whatever your double bottom is. It doesn't matter. Even I have an exit system. I have a scalping system that makes a lot of profit. I have a scalping system with a high accuracy. I can show you the results on my FX book. Even with that, I still have an exit strategy, and my exit strategy is not using a stop loss. It's hedging, because I want to make as much more as I want to keep as much profits that I have gained from the market and not lose it back to the market, then start losing my own capital. Double bottom, I don't know, I don't trade that. Double tops, I don't know, I don't trade that. But I do know that, you know, coincidentally, it happens when you have a double top, you have a double bottom. But to me, it's just coincidence, you know. And I don't like to trade based on coincidence. I like to trade based on technicals only, because then I can go back and say, if I have any problem in the market, I can easily track back where I had this problem, learn my mistake, and write it down, write it in my journal, so that I'll remember, and next time not remember that mistake. If you are trading this way with coincidences, you will not be able to tell why you lost. Okay, you'll not be able to tell why you lost. So, and if you can't tell why you lost, then you can't correct your mistakes. If you can't correct your mistakes, then you keep on making the same mistakes. You say, hey bro, what's your take on USDJPY? The King Banks won. The King Banks won. I have done an analysis on USDJPY. I will do that again, but let me go back to Marcin. He said, of course, probabilistic mindsets well advised. I focus on technicals, because anything that happens in the market, I can say I took this because of this. Okay, and if I have any issues, I'll know that, okay, this is how I got to this point. I can track it and know how to fix my problem. This is why I like technicals, because it is accuracy, decision based on accuracy, reacting to the market, not trying to control the market, not trying to beat the market. How are you going to beat something that wins over 95% of the time? How are you going to trick something that wins over 95% of the time? Even if you trick it, you win 5% of the time. What's your gain? But you know, you can't actually trick it, but you know, you just get lucky, and the market has to allow you to get lucky so that you keep on trading, you know. The King Banks, okay, yeah, you were talking about USDJPY. We've done USDJPY already. You can see EURUSD still dropping. My bias is short. Okay, let's go back to USDJPY. We've done an analysis on USDJPY. I said that at least today we should see it going to 136 or 136.5. Have you clicked the notification bell? Okay, a lot of you guys here are new. Have you clicked the notification bell? Have you watched the channel? Have you watched the videos there? Have you joined the free Telegram group? Okay, before I continue on USDJPY, let me just drop some links that you might be interested in. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click that notification bell, especially the notification bell if you want to qualify for the giveaway. When we reach 16,000 subscribers, we'll be doing $1,000 giveaway. And yeah, make sure you make a comment on at least one of the videos on the channel. The more comments you make, the higher your possibility of winning. And you can join the Telegram group. Once we reach 1,000 members in the Telegram group, we'll be giving a 1,000 giveaway. You can also tell people to join also, because that will increase your chances of winning, because if they win, you guys can split the prize money, okay, and use it to fund your accounts to trade or to learn. Okay, but if you cannot wait, okay, you want to start making money, you want to start learning from someone who is trading you with a live account, someone who is trading you live, okay, and going straight to the point to start making money, then you can click on the WhatsApp link or Telegram link and send me a message, and then we can get started. Oh yeah, guys, there's a discount code, okay, till the end of the month, 30% discount code. I'll type that in the comment section now. It's called 3414. It lasts till the end of the month. Okay, in my last stream, a lot of people were asking for a discount code, and there you have it. So yeah, let's get back to USDJPY. Let's just take a 1 or 2 minutes break, and we'll be right back on USDJPY. Okay, let's get making this money. Alright guys, we're back. Where was I? USDJPY. Okay, yeah, let's look at USDJPY, doing exactly what I said it to do. Thank you for subscribing, Stephen Bry. Let's continue to do the analysis and see what happens. I'm still expecting a long move. I'm still expecting a long move on USDJPY. I expect it to go, like I said, today, I'm just even talking about just today. I expect it to go to around at least 136 to 136.5. Okay. However, if I do see it going below this thing, what do you call it, 134.5, you know, look, okay, let me just put it this way. Okay, let me zoom in. We need, at this point, we need, okay, don't worry, this is for students, but my bias is long on USDJPY. You know, I would say 98 to 99% sure that I have a long bias on USDJPY. Now, where it's going to go, is it 136 or 136.5? That's where we're going to find out. Okay, so let's see how the market plays out. I have a long bias on USDJPY. If you were long, or if you were using double tops or double bottom, whatever nonsense, and thinking it's going to go short, we'll see what happens. But my bias is long. My bias is long on USDJPY. Pips. Nothing really happening in the market. You're welcome. You guys can make some, you know, cash at the end of the day. Well, yeah, let's get back to it. know, if I wanted to do a quick scalp on USDJPY, if I wanted to do a quick scalp on USDJPY, I will target 13. Let me see. I'll target 135.39. I'll target 135.39. Alright, guys. I think I'm about to end this stream. I'll just make it 1 hour 30 minutes. So we have 6 more minutes. I'll be right back. So alright, so I think a lot of people have already gotten the analysis they wanted. Let's see. Why? Okay. So let me tell you guys what's going on. Someone asked for gold analysis, someone asked for GBP USD analysis. You guys came late to class. I've done GBP USD analysis, I've done gold analysis. Do you guys want me to do it again? You can just rewind and you see it. I've been streaming for about 1 hour and 30 minutes. So you can see it from one of the analysis. Or do you want me to do the analysis all over again? Let me know if you want me to do the analysis again. These guys. You're lucky I'm not trading. Okay. You two, you want me to do the gold analysis again? A 15-minute shot. I saw shooting star. No. I don't do all those shooting star, all those nonsense, all those things. I don't do that. So don't bring that here. I don't use support and resistance. I don't use indicators. I don't use basically anything that seems like gambling. Yeah. I don't use stop loss. I hedge my trades. You can check my channel. Maybe you're new here. You can check my playlist of hedging. I hedge my trades, so I don't lose capital. I just break even. You compound your accounts that way. But okay, so we'll do. And I don't trade the 15 minutes. I scalp on the lower time frame. You can check my scalping videos too. I have one video. I think I done $200 to 2,000 or something. Go check the video. Let's see. What was that? Ah, yeah. Gold analysis. All right, 1 minute. Where are we? All right. I said my bias for gold was down. Even with this pullback, we should expect a downward movement. Why did I even put this here? Okay, once we break this point, expect to go all the way down to 1750, like I've been saying before. Okay, I said this before and I'm saying it again. Expect it to go all the way down to 1750. So that's my analysis on gold. Quite easy, very simple. My bias is still short, even though you see it pushing up like this. Is what it's trying to do is trying to get people to trigger as many buys as possible. Okay, these are the kind of tricks that the market plays. It may eventually go long, but usually most of the time it's just trying to induce buyers into the market, okay, and then pull all the way down, because this is where they are going to put their supports. Yeah, dumb money traders, support and resistance traders. This is so predictable, they are so predictable. It's so easy for the market. They are going to put their support somewhere around here, and then they will be buying, and then the market will just go down and hit their support. Very easy to set them up. It has given them their double bottom that they are looking for. It has given them their W. Okay, I'm not saying it may not go long, because you should never have a fixed bias, but I'm saying this is usually the kind of trap that they set up for dumb money traders, for retail traders who use support and resistance. Even though I am looking at it as it's going up and I'm still saying sell, you would rarely see any other trader do that. If I'm wrong, I hedge out my trades. So we've done gold, and what was the second one? GBP USD. Let's see, GBP USD. You see, I don't even analyze it, so it's not on my screen. I keep on forgetting to add it. All right. So GBP USD is at a point where I said, what was my analysis on it? I don't even remember. Okay. Oh, I remember. Okay, I'm expecting GBP USD to hit this point and start to drop. Okay, or if it continues to go up from here, we may see it go to 1.220. Okay, but I still have a bearish bias on this GBP USD. Okay, I still have a bearish bias on GBP USD. I still expect it to go all the way down. We'll see how it turns out. We'll see how it plays out. I'll be here tomorrow so we can look at all these things that we just analyzed and see how they played out. GBP USD tends to spike, you know, it tends to spike a lot. So that's why, you know, I'm looking at it like it may even go inside this place and still drop all the way down. Okay, my bias is short. My bias is all the way down to 1.1950 on GBP USD going short. And I gave a scalp, like if you're scalping, I gave like a quick take profit point that you might want to target. It was 135.39. Okay, I think if I can remember, it was 135.39. Let me just confirm and check. It was 135.39. Yeah, 135.39, 135.29. Let's go back and look at that USDJPY, baby. USD. Doing this for the money. Yazerski. Get money in this market, guys. Greenstone.com. You're welcome. You're welcome. Remember, guys, if you want to learn how to do this yourself, you can go to the website. The link is in the comment section. And like I said, the best way to get out of your trades is by hedging. Okay, and when you want to hedge, you want as much leverage as possible as you can get. You can never make money without leverage. Okay, well, it's not really for the making money, it's for protecting your capital. There's a reason why these hedge funds get as much leverage as they are allowed to get. Okay, so you can join this broker T4 trade. That's what I used to take my trades. As you can see, I'm not streaming my live trades, but when I'm streaming my live trades, I use T4 T trades. You can use as much leverage as you want, and you can get up to the 100% bonus. That means you can be able to make money if you have extra bonus. And yeah, when you're trading, you want to take as much advantage as you can get. And if you want to see my FX book results, to see my trade results for more than 1 year of live trading, you can check that in the comment section too. And yeah, you can message me on Telegram or WhatsApp. The link is in the description too. And and you can join the free Telegram group. Okay, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell. And to join the free Telegram group, once we reach every time we reach 1,000, either in the Telegram group or on the channel, we're doing $1,000 giveaway. Okay. right, the first trader. Hope to see you again. Where are you from, by the way, and how did you find the channel? Are you saying that you are doing a funded account test? Is that what you're saying you are doing the first trader? You're doing a funded account test. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time on those funded accounts tests. You know, the rules are set up for you to fail. You know, it's better for you to take that money and put it in your account. By the time you've calculated all the money you spent, you could have just put yourself in a nice big account and actually realistically traded. All those $100,000 accounts, the equivalent that when you actually get it and you can trade it and you actually do your proper calculations, because you guys see 100k and you just go crazy. You know, they are not giving you 100k. You are only going to be allowed to use around 1k to trade with their useless rules and their low leverage. Do you really? Why not just put yourself in a 1 to 1,000 account with that same 1k, and you guys will do that accounting for like 2 months, 3 months. You pay money, just make one mistake or trade for over the weekend, but by mistake, just one or mistakenly just increase by 0.01 lot size than what they asked for. So you think it's safer to use their $100,000 account, which is not 100,000, which is actually $1,000 with low leverage and allowed to use low lot size and not allowed to use your hold your trade over the weekend. And if you get your account less than 5 or 10%, you lose the whole account and have to pay to pass all over from the beginning again. That is less risky. You are not just seeing it. They put $100,000 for you and you just didn't think again. That's what happens to most people. Maybe not you, but most people, that's what happens to them. You could have just taken that. By the time you calculate it, you've spent 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 trying to pass the test, because in your mind you are spending all this money just to get 100,000. It's not 100,000. Do the calculations. This is what happens when you're not a student. You can't figure out these things easily, you know. Anyway, I'll put the links in the description. Again, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. If you want free analysis on any pair, crypto or foreign exchange, let me know. And if you want to go to the website, like I said, there's a discount code 30 for 14. It's going to work till the end of the month. Yeah, use that on the website to get 30% discount. I'll put the discount code in the comment section also. And like I said, you want high leverage to hedge. The best that you want, if you want to hedge, if you are more towards protecting your capital. I ask people this question: what is better, to make more profits or to make less losses? Most people say make more profits, but if one loss can wipe out all the profit you made, what's the point? So it's all about making less losses. If you are making less losses, you are compounding at a faster and higher and more probable rate. You are growing your accounts. You have less money leaking out, more money coming in. But you guys, you know, I think that's the wrong link. Is that the right link? Yes. For Telegram. But anyway, you can join the free Telegram group and you can message me from the free Telegram group also. I'm just checking the details. And you can message me on WhatsApp also, and join the free Telegram group. right, guys, it was nice having this stream with you. Till the next one. We'll see if I have one tomorrow. Let's look at the poll. 61 people voted. About 57% of the people who were on the stream were in the live trade. All right, guys, till the next time.